Hello, it's Bob here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida on day 33 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones, your family and your friends, healthy and safe. So my quote for today is from a song called Comes a Time by Neil Young. Oh, this old world keeps spinning round. It's a wonder tall trees ain't laying down. There comes a time. And so indeed, there does come a time. The time has come really to think about the next steps for this project, Operation Engineering. How are you doing? I sense that we're ready collectively for something new. The number of emails and contributions has reduced significantly in the last days. And I think that that's a good sign. That says we've been successful. It tells me that we've endured the worst, starting to move forward. So I truly hope these messages have had some small contribution in helping us all get through the crises in these last months. Never imagined we would be doing it for 7 weeks. So I'll continue the daily messages tomorrow and Friday. In the meantime, what I'd like for you to do is to send in your thoughts on how we move the project forward. I'm thinking maybe we get together once per week, but you may have some other creative and exciting ideas. I think that this has been very helpful, certainly to me and to many of you, I know, for us to learn about each other, to support each other, and just to have something to do each day to look forward to as we work remotely. So if you've got some thoughts, please send them in. And also send in your hometowns. So we have over 1,200 visits now to the virtual hometown page. So we're getting about 100 visits a day, which is fantastic, but we're not getting 100 contributions. But we did get some today. Got 2 from Florida, 1 from Barranquilla, Colombia, and then we have 1 from Pasadena, Texas, and that was submitted by Senior Vice Provost Dwayne Smith. So Dwayne's not officially a member of the College of Engineering, but we're going to include him because he's been participating and reading these daily messages every day. Thanks, Dwayne, for your support. But Dwayne also sent in a really interesting note, which I'm going to read to you. So he's been following these daily posts, as I said, and he's enjoyed them so much that he took the liberty of throwing in his hat in the ring in the virtual town map. Dwayne is from Pasadena, Texas, as he describes a rough and tumble blue-collar suburb outside of Houston. It's on the edge of a large petrochemical complex that is its primary identity. But there's one other thing that Pasadena is known for. You may recall Gilley's Club. That's where the movie Urban Cowboy was filmed. It was once known as the world's largest nightclub, and Dwayne grew up just down the road from Gilley's. Don't try to visit there now. It burned down in the 1980s, so it's just a memory. But there's some interesting photos there that Dwayne submitted. But so first of all, thanks, Dwayne. But I also wanted to point out something that I found fairly interesting, and that is that I actually visited Gilley's. As I was starting my PhD studies at Rice University, in 1984, I went to Gilley's to see Neil Young. and Neil Young's band, International Harvesters. That was September the 29th, 1984. So, and if you ever saw the movie Urban Cowboy, Neil Young did not play in the area where the Mechanical Bull was, but there was actually an adjacent rodeo arena inside of Gilley's, actually. So if you look at the message today, I attached a link to the set list from that show. And later in his career, Neil Young released an album called Treasures. And I believe that there's a song on there called Bound for Glory, which was actually recorded at that Gilley's Club concert that I attended. So it's a small world, as it turns out. So I want to, again, thank you for all that you do for the college, all that you do for our students and for their success. I'm very proud of how we've come together during this time to support each other, and look forward to figuring out some creative ways to continue to do that. Also, in case you've forgotten about the USF Hero, so we have until Friday to nominate faculty, students, or staff who have done some amazing things during this COVID-19 crisis. So take some time if you've got some thoughts on that. And as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll talk again soon.